Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. Let's learn and dive in practical how to clean up the garbage, cache, zinc file to free up more space on your iPhone's device. As we know that when tap on a setting coming on iCloud, if it is full guys, how do you clean up? How do you go for free garbage as well as Zinc file? How do you clear? How do you delete? Permanent it? How do you fix it? We will see it quickly guys here. So for everything just we have one remedy, that is a 3U tool guys. Just we will open a 3U tool and connect your data cable with the help of your iPhone's device and tap on a toolbox guys, and here we have an option that is a clean garbage. Just go for a scan it guys. So it will take us scarcely 2 to 3 minutes to clear, analyzed, and then of course we will try to delete it also. Not required to purchase guys, here you can fix it easy way. So it's analyzing, and then of course I will show you how you delete it, that one also. And actually in my opinion, after weekly you must go for the clear all the junks, garbage, cache. So that will especially also that will make a fast of your iPhone's device. It will not hang, as well as it won't be a functional slow. So that's why especially guys here go for clean. So right now just it's analyzing, and then of course we will clear. So we have analyzed guys here. Now it's begin to clear, or of course if we want then we can delete it also. Right now I'm not going to delete, but see all the especially distribution size of this. Just we will hit this clear, and here is asking that bind Apple ID or skip. So of course you can skip it, no problem at all. So now see here, congratulations, your device has successfully lost weight. So now of course we will go 4K, and if you would like to enter the rescan also guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.